Welcome friends. In this video I am going to tell about how comparison operators are going to be performed. Comparison operator generally are added inside the expression. It returns the boolean value, that is the form of true and false constants. So how it is generally work, we directly show you through if block, because if block is generally returns the true statement if the statement is going to be true. If the statement is going to be false, then it is return the false. So return the false, that is in the boolean form. So I am going to print that way. So if block is generally very easier way to demonstrate how these comparison operators are generally going to be performed. So let's see. So first of all, I have to take some data. X equal to 2, y equal to 3. Then if within bracket x greater than 2, okay, then print x, that is true, then else print that is false. So if x greater than 2, x is not greater than 2, so let's check, it's a false. Okay, so here I will compare with both data x and y, both variables, that is x greater than y. So it is also written the false. Fine. So you have to see here, that is the form x greater than y. Now we go for the if x equal to y. What is going to be written? If true, then returns true. If false, it returns false. Okay. See. First, that's it. It returns the false. If you added here 2, so see what is going to be written here. True. Now x equal to 3, y equal to 2. Okay. Now if x greater than equal to 2, then print. Then here it returns true if x greater than equal to true, else print false. Okay, so here x not is greater than, here we take the variable y, that is x and y we are taken. If x is greater than or equal to 2, so x is greater than 2, that is it proved here, because the x data is 3, y is very small, that is below the 2 y variable, x variable, sorry, below the x variable, that is less than 1. So here 3 is greater than equal to 2, right? It's a true, it returns the true. Okay, it returns the true. Yes, it returns the true. If it y is also 3, then it returns to the unsatisfied the condition x greater than equal to y. Okay, x greater than equal to the y. Then greater than equal to is completed, then go for the less than equal to. Okay, x equal to, then no need for another time I have to write. Okay, x less than equal to y, colon print true, else colon print false. Now I have to print here. So let's see what is going to be print here. That is also true, because y, x and y both are true, because x and y having same data. So here 3 less than equal to 3, 3 is less than or equal to, means whatever the data is going to be comparison here, either equal or below that variable of y, then it is going to be, this operator is going to be work. That's it. Okay, so now go for the less than equal to, then completed, not equal to and less than. Okay, not equal to and less than, these two are remaining. If x not equal to y, fine, then print true, else print false. Okay, then another, if x less than y, okay, then colon print true, else false, print false. So let's see what is here going to be written. X not equal to y, but x and y both are same, here it returns the false. And then second, x less than y, here both are same, this is not also satisfied, that's why it is returns the false. So first of all, false, 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 so first three are going to be false. Okay, first three are going to be false here. Then at last everything is going to be completed, all the operators are already checked, greater than, not equal to, less than, equal to, then greater than equal to, less than equal to. 3 4 5 6, yes, completed. So this is the way how we can compare multiple data or multiple data through variables by help of comparison operators. If you have any doubt, go through the comment box, type there, I go through it. If there is any doubts we at target, then it will going to be asked through video, added to the video. Then please like and share this video and subscribe this channel. Click on the bell icon. When I am going to upload any future videos, you will get the notifications. Thank you.